Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. If the coordinates of orthocenter and the centroid of a triangle ABC are minus 5, 7 and 5, 5, then the circumcenter of the triangle ABC will be what? Okay. So here we are going to talk about one important concept, which is Euler line concept of a triangle. So according to this concept, if we just consider three centers, okay, so if we consider the centroid of a triangle and circumcenter of the triangle and orthocenter of the triangle, okay, so according to Euler line, this centroid will always be between circumcenter and orthocenter, and the distance between these two will be exactly double of this. So if this is D, this will be 2D. So to avoid any confusion, let's put complete name here. So this C is circumcenter, this G is centroid, and H is orthocenter. Okay, so not just these three centers, but recently there were few more centers found for a triangle, and this Euler line is applicable for them as well. So all those centers, they are collinear and they all lie on Euler's line. So if you don't know about Euler line properties, I'll recommend, I have given link also in the description, just go and read more about it. So it's very easy for you in the exam. Okay, so knowing this distance is half of this, or this distance is double of this. So now let's solve the problem. So problem says that the orthocenter and centroid of a triangle ABC are minus 5, 7. So orthocenter is minus 5, 7. Okay, and centroid is given as 5, 5. So we need to find out the circumcenter. Okay, what will be here? So here, because the value or the shift in any coordinate or any axis, be it x-axis or y-axis, it should be double. So from here to here, if there is a shift of minus 10 units, okay, as we see, so it was 5, the coordinate of x was 5 here and it became minus 5. So there is a change of minus 10 units. Okay, so if between these x is changing by minus 10, then here it should change by half. Okay, so from here to here, the change should be of minus 5 units, half of this. So half of this will divide by 2. Okay, so this is the change. So here the circumcenter, for the circumcenter, the value of x should be, if this is 5, okay, and 5 is reduced, then earlier it must be 10. Okay, so from 10 it reduced minus 5 units, and from here it reduced minus 10 units. Okay, similarly, if we see for y-axis, here we see a change of 5 to 7, there is a change of plus 2 units. Okay, so for this place, for circumcenter, the shift in y-axis should be half of this, so it should be a shift of plus 1 units. Okay, then in that case, here if it was 4, then plus 1 will make it 5. Okay, so we can say the coordinates of circumcenter is 10 and 4 in this case. Okay, so we have solved this problem, but I'll suggest to go and read more about Euler line concept. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.